Whoa! One more! Dan, watch it. Cut to the right. Watch this freaking swamp right here. That used to be a fun water crossing, and they've added concrete, and now it's freaking terrifying. It's just always a freaking algae slick. Another one right here. Oh, it's all nice and cool down here. I can't believe how deep that is.
That's deep.
So we'll go a different way to get to Clark's Grade. We're normally we.
Is this a single track you're talking about?
No, once we get on to Clark's Grade, we'll be almost to the top and we'll do the single track. But we'll get there a different way. So normally when we run up, we get to that T intersection, we make the right. We'll just go straight, and that runs us out and around into Clark's Grade. I've only been on it once, but last time I was on it, it was really rutted. We're due for a little struggle. You know, we've had it too easy on all this graded freaking fire road. Man, that first gear is low now. Whoo! Watch your speed. There's an exposed water line. Whoa! One more! Dan, watch it. Cut to the right. Yeah, he came in freaking hot on me, dude. And I'm all sketched out and freaking riding slow. Little washed out right here. Oh, that's like a death tree right there. You see that thing? That's a big tree, man. Alright, you run up ahead and I'll tell you where the single track is. I'll follow it.
Tell me when we get there?
Yeah. It's almost at the top, and it's like the only road that goes off to the left. Right here. Hold up. Oh man. Yeah, that was a freaking workout, man. Whew. Hold my beer and watch this.